Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to do something different, something most loan officers and realtors don't do. I'm going to talk to you about how you can make additional income in real estate and mortgage in a way that you most likely have never been taught before. I feel like we all get stuck in a box. We think the only way I can make money, and it is really good money, is by closing a loan or selling a house. Well, there are other ways. So if I have one regret in my career in the real estate industry, it is that I didn't learn this information that I'm about to show you sooner. Because how do you make income when you can't sell a house or close on a loan because of inventory issues, the economy? Maybe you have a baby or you have someone who just gets in the way of your career. My name's Megan with Collab Lending, Collab Capital, and Collab Courses, and I am so happy you're here. Today, I want to take a minute and just go over how to get started creating income for yourself in ways other than your primary job as a loan officer or a real estate agent. I am coming out with a mini course for beginners. So if you're interested, you can go to the link in the description and get on the waiting list, and I will notify you when it launches. Now, I look at the strategies that I'm about to share with you as tiers. Tier 1 is the easiest to set up, and it takes the least amount of your time over the long run. Tier 2 is in the middle, and it will take more of your time, but has slightly bigger payouts. Then there's Tier 3, which will require the most from you at some point, but will create the biggest return over the long run. And Tier 4 is the work we do right now, every day, when we originate a mortgage or we sell a home to a buyer. It takes a lot of our time. So in essence, we all skipped over Tiers 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 when we started in this business, and we just really got started on Tier 4. So let's learn today about the tiers that we're missing in our business that really could change our life. So I'm sure that you've heard people talk before about earning multiple streams of income. And I find that many of the people that are teaching these things are people who left a 9-to-5 job and learned how to generate income in different ways. And many of them make such a good income that they never had to even go into Tier 4, where we trade time for money. And that's what we do, right? When we sell a home or we originate a loan, we trade time for money. We can't do it without us being present and spending time. Let's dig into these other strategies that you can learn and implement. So Tier 1, the easiest way to do this would be through what's called affiliate income. Affiliate income is income that you receive from recommending something to other people that they then buy because of your recommendation. Real estate agents, you already do this when you sell a home warranty to a client, and in return, you get, let's say, $50. That's affiliate income. Well, it might surprise you that 80% of the products and services that consumers buy are part of affiliate marketing. Walmart, half the stuff they sell is affiliate commissions. Crazy, right? Products you recommend to your customers, apps, courses, different products. A great example would be for a loan officer to recommend to a client that can't get approved until they improve their credit would be a credit builder card. We do this, and every time someone does sign up and uses the card to improve their credit, we get a $10 affiliate commission. So you can do the same thing and create the same situation with moving boxes, furniture, appliances. There's most likely an affiliate program for almost everything that you use in your business today. Like I said, crazy, right? Hopefully this sticks with you and you start implementing and thinking about all these tiers. Another way that is similar for loans that you aren't doing is it's still a Tier 1, and it only happens in the commercial space, although you can get a referral fee on residential loans if you refer them to someone within your company. But with commercial financing and business financing, there are ways to set up links or relationships where you can earn affiliate income for directing a customer to someone or a company, where then the loan closes and you get paid a percentage. And there's tons of niches that you can do this in, but do the one that's natural to you and one that the people that you're already connecting with would find value in. Why not? You are already talking to the people who need and use the services and products that you're recommending. So why not get paid to refer to them when you've spent all this time finding the things that they want and need? So how do you set this up? First, you need to pick what you're going to promote or choose, the product that you're already referring. Pick something that you're already using currently in your business. Then go and find out and apply to that company's affiliate program. And the company will give you a link to share that tracks the referrals that you send. Then what you need to do is take that link and put the link in places that you can easily share and teach people about that product. This could be in a funnel. It could be in an email to the client. It could be a video like this. It could be on your website. It really can be anywhere. It just needs to make sense. Then when someone purchases what you're selling, you get a commission, and it's how you begin creating a snowball of new income. Now, it will start slow, but if you stick to it and you do this correctly with good products that you believe in, it can grow to become a very steady stream of income. If you're looking for more information about this, I have a free guide that if you want to know how I learned how to do this, I put it in the guide and I took. And I also put some recommendations of classes of people in the real estate industry that teach some of these strategies as well that you could take. I am a busy mom of four who owns real estate investments, multiple businesses, but I know what it is like to get burned out, to want to help other people. And it takes time and years of learning to be the best out there. And if people value your input and your time, they will trust the things that you're recommending. Let's now move on to tier 2, additional products and offerings that you can add to your business. One of the best examples is commercial loans. Like I said, you can refer a commercial deal and get a referral fee it's 1099 income, unlike residential mortgages. You can refer that deal to someone who originates the commercial mortgage and you get that commission. Pretty cool, right? You can also, what I consider tier 2 is you can join a commercial brokerage. You could also, and you can do this, it does not have to have anything to do with your residential license. So if the company that you work for does not offer commercial products, you can still stay working where you are at with residential mortgages, but have the option to offer commercial loans and earn the whole commission on them, not just a referral, by placing loans through that entity. And this income is paid just like a real estate agent commission. It's 1099. You have a Schedule C at the end of the year. So in essence, you're going to start becoming self-employed with some of your income. Number 3, or tier 3, is actually creating and starting an affiliate business. This would be, let's say, opening your own commercial brokerage. So instead of being part of someone else's company that they started, you could start your own commercial company. Now, this comes with a lot more work and a lot more responsibility, but the payout can be much greater in the long run. You could also start an affiliated business in something else, something that your clients are already using, that you normally refer to, something like property management. I see a lot of real estate companies do that. Or home inspections, staging, really anything that goes hand in hand with what home buyers and sellers need during their buying and selling process. One of the biggest problems you'll run into if you decide to start and run one of these businesses is that they can take up a lot of your time getting set up and running them. So a suggestion that I have in another way that you can add an affiliated business is by starting one and finding someone else to partner with or run it for you. My husband and I did this when we opened a title company 5 years ago. We realized that every buyer we worked with needed a title agent to close on their home. So we approached a title agent that we worked with to see if they were interested in working together to build out a new business. Well, here we are 5 years later, and we have a fully operating affiliated business that provides an additional income stream for us that is equivalent to working another job without working that other job. These situations do not always work out as well as ours has, and we had our bumps in the road, trust me, getting to where we are today. But it is possible if you find the right partners and if you have a steady stream of business that you can send to that business to get it started and growing. You can do the same thing with insurance. You can start a real estate brokerage if you have the mortgage side or the title side. This is the idea behind the one-stop shopping experience, and surprisingly, clients really like it. They like the ease of knowing who they can trust and use when they're buying or selling a home. So if you'd like to learn more about how to do one or all of the above, click on the link in the description and sign up to get the tips and videos that will dive deeper into getting started. And if you'd like to consider tier 2 and 3, schedule a discovery call with my team where we can talk about the best place to start and how we can help you get moving in the right direction. I get so fired up about this topic, and my number one goal is to help all of you change your business and change your life, to have the financial security and peace you have always dreamed of through creating multiple income streams. Through collaboration and learning from each other, I promise you that we all will get there. Oh, and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell if you want more content like this. I can't wait to see you next time.